Welcome. So there are a lot of changes lately. We've, let's go from the top down. Data prep is now the new name for the tab. It's not final, but it looks like that's the direction we're heading. Sticking with data prep. We've also taken some tabs off the top. We may be doing a few more of those. We've condensed a lot of the tabs into this one major one. And to do that, we have blocked out these groups so we can hide these if people need more space. So basically you can press clear here and press this and it will shrink that and then operate down in this range. I'm going to just press data prep again. Everything's going to come back. This top section is the what we used to call the tour. It's now samples. All right. So there are a lot of samples and we put them into different groups. So now we have the best ones, which is a pure sample. So I'll just do one of them, fuzzy summation. I'll click on that. And now it's right away, it's showing how these are lined up using fuzzy because everything's preset. If I hold control key down and click on this, you now get a little pop-up that has both sections together. So we can see if we resize that, it's 1,000 on both sides. It's 550, 450, 100, 200, 300, 400, and all these different variations of name spellings. It's all matched up. Okay. And I could do it again with Blake Robbins, and that comes back up that way. Okay. So that we have explored before, but let's just now show how we can go to a few more things. So best, now this is what's really new is templates. If I click on templates, I get a whole series of predefined templates, and then this could be radically configured systems with lots of data, lots of variations, and scripts that are all built in. So this is going to be changing. I mean, we're going to add to this and add to this. It's very, very easy now to add to this list for more examples. So I will just do the simple one, compare old and new trial balances. I'm going to click that. And what it's doing there, it just went to the web. It pulled out the data. So that's not loaded actually inside of the system. It's pulled in real time as you need it. Now, a couple of new things. So first of all, you'll see that there's this little less than and greater than sign. So you can pull out a lot of things here. You can search. Now, this is what's new also. Is this apply AI. So basically at this second, if you go to settings and you see the column settings, everything is set as show. There's no logic to it. There's no AI on it. It's just very basic. There's debits and credits. Now, if I'm going to press the apply AI, you'll see what just happened. You have these two, account number and account, have become groups. And the amount is this is a new field that's created, sum. It's a calculated field, calculated column, and debits and credits no longer appear because amount is equal to debit minus credit on both sides. So by using the AI that's just built in right there, it sets everything up. It's super easy. And then you could go to calculate and well, let's see. I could take the fuzzy off right away and then do power crushing. So that will get rid of all of the transactions that match perfectly. And what it's done is it's left 5 on the left and 6 on the right. And we've gone through this a few times before. I'm just going to press calculate now. And now these are the ones that are matching. And we could see that this and this. Let's see, did I click that right? No. Click that. Okay, so this is 1,000 error. I'm not going to go through all of these issues right now, but it's off by 1,000 for some reason, and you can put some kind of note here. The real point of this is to look at the new UI, as well as you can see that these check marks are here. It never was a check mark, it was a P before. Also, there's hiding and showing these different sections. And most significantly, I think, is that there's this really new AI built in that will allow you, if that appears, it will set the AI right away, very simplistically. I'm just going to show you this quick one. This is the number 6, case study 2, finished data. All right, and then this is the one where if you go to update reports, you'll see that everything's reconciled. I'm not going to go through all of this. Again, this is on some other videos, but basically this is a template that has done all the crushing already. So meaning that there's really nothing left to do. It's really it's empty. There's nothing left to display. Everything's already in the report, and you could go and you can look at the report to get the results, and all the notes are in there. So basically through that template system, which is really the point of showing you this, through this you could get raw data, you can get data that's fully been analyzed and notated and matched up. So there's a lot of power in this new version. Enjoy.